Hi, this is Vijaya and welcome to Vijayas recipes. Fruits and vegetables contain essential nutrients which are essential for our body. It helps in digestion and strengthens the immune system. So today we will see 10 methods how to clean fruits and vegetables before you consume them. Today we will see how to clean fruits and vegetables during Corona time and beyond. Why you should clean your fruits and vegetables. There are chemicals in most of the fruits and vegetables that we eat every day. These chemicals are called pesticides. They are used by the farmers to keep the pests away from the crops. These chemicals can affect our health. Pesticides can cause neurological problems, hormonal disruptions, can damage your nervous system and even some types of cancers. Whenever possible, try to buy organic fruits and vegetables. Whether you buy organic or not, it is very important to clean fruits and vegetables to remove any residue, unwanted bacteria, chemicals, dirt, pesticides or wax clinging to the surface of fruits and vegetables. How to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables? Here are some natural ways to clean fruits and vegetables. These home tips can make you feel healthier, increase your lifespan and decrease your risk of many diseases. Wash your hands. You need to ensure your hands are clean before cleaning the fruits and vegetables. Use warm water and soap to clean germs off your hands. Wash your hands at least 20 seconds prior to cleaning fruits and vegetables. Rinse in cold running water. It is advisable to wash fruits and vegetables under running water so that whatever dust, impurities and bacteria is there on top of the skin of fruits and vegetables, they get washed off. Use salt water. It is advisable to soak fruits and vegetables in warm water by adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt for at least 20 minutes. Then rinse off well with cold water. Root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, radish and other vegetables with thick skin contain a lot of soil that gets stuck to their rough texture. So you can scrub to get rid of the excess soil by using a vegetable brush. Make sure the skin of vegetables are not removed while scrubbing. After scrubbing, rinse off with cold water and dry them after washing with a clean paper and towel. Use baking soda. Adding baking soda to water is the best way to remove pesticides. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and soak the fruits and vegetables for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After that, rinse off thoroughly with water. Cleaning with vinegar. Place your fruits and vegetables in 1 liter of water by adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is one of the most effective way of removing pesticides and bacteria. When you wash your fruits and vegetables with vinegar, the acidity of vinegar kills bacteria. Drain off the water in a colander and rinse them with water to remove the vinegar taste. Turmeric solution. Turmeric is known for its antiseptic qualities. It contains an antioxidant curcumin that is known to kill various microorganisms. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to 4 cups of warm water and allow it to dissolve. Soak the vegetables for about 20 minutes and rinse with plain water to get rid of contaminants. Blanching. Boiling is not suitable for some vegetables. That is why blanching seems to be the best option to remove pesticides from vegetables. Boil enough water in a bowl and turn off the heat. Soak the vegetables in it for 10 to 15 minutes and once the water becomes lukewarm, take the vegetables out by straining the water. It is one of the safest way to get rid of pesticides. Don't use this blanching method for fruits. DIY homemade vegetable spray. If you don't have time to soak and rinse vegetables, you can just prepare a spray on your own with natural ingredients to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. Mix a teaspoon of lemon juice with a teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water and mix everything well. Fill this solution in a spray bottle and spray it on the fruits and vegetables and allow it to stay for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with clean water. Dry your produce, that is fruits and vegetable, with clean towels. After washing, avoid recontaminating your food and dry with a clean cloth towel or disposable paper towel. To further reduce the risk of bacterial or viral transmission from a dirty surface onto your ready-to-eat fruits and vegetables. Store your clean produce in a safe place. Now that you have successfully cleaned your produce, make sure to store or refrigerate pre-cut items at 40°F or below if you are not going to eat them right away. And same goes for fruits and veggies that require refrigeration. Storing vegetables the right way will keep them fresh and safe to eat. Some vegetables and fruit need to be stored in the refrigerator, and others are best stored at room temperature or in a cool, dry place. Leafy greens like spinach, fenugreek, lettuce greens stay fresh longer if they are rinsed, wrapped in a paper towel, and refrigerated in a container or sealed plastic bag. Root vegetables like garlic, onions, potatoes, sweet potatoes should be stored in a cool, dark, dry spot outside the fridge. So these were 10 methods which I use to clean fruits and vegetables every day. If you have any method of cleaning fruits and vegetables, please let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks a lot for watching.